As a teacher, I've stood here for decades, watching little feet grow into confident strides, watching minds light up like stars with every lesson taught. I've seen talent bloom quietly in the backbencher who solved the unsolvable, the shy student who raised hand for the first time, and the journey of their victories. They aren't just medals. They are proof that I nurtured potential. And within these walls, greatness began. But time moves fast, and the world demands more. More skill-based competency, more competitive-ready environments, and more reason to be proud. As a teacher, I want to give them every chance, every platform to rise. Because when my students shine, I shine. Register your school for the Olympiads today. Organized by SilverZone Foundation.